Hi guys, my name is Natalie and today I'd like to open with you this slow juicer Kuvings B6000PR. We decided to go with the slow juicer versus other types of juicer, especially the ones which produce the juice fast and they're really loud, and loudness was one part why we didn't want to continue using it because we live in apartments. And the second part is that the actual amount of vitamins and nutrition are not the same after juicing process. So basically, like, the slower you go, the more beneficial you are. So basically there are more vitamins and more nutrition in your juice after the slow juicer. Let's open it and see what is inside. These are two boxes, and then there's a juicer itself. We probably will need to move to the kitchen, but for now, yeah, it's just the main part. Take it off. Oh, there is more. So we have box number 1, box number 2, and the main part of the juicer. Let's open box number 1 first. So these are two jars. And then there is a box with, this is heavy. Oh, I guess it's the part which joins. And box number 2. So, manual, the cleaning thing, 2 brushes actually. That's nice. Then, is it also cleaning? I don't know, but we'll find out later. This is the part where it separates from the pulp. It's also some kind of a thing, I'll tell you later. And this is the part where we actually throw the fruits in. And that's basically it. Now let's go on and assemble it. So let's assemble the juicer. Let's take the juicing bowl. The lid should be closed. And then you make sure that this part, like the silicone part here, is really tightly sealed. And we are putting it like this. Let's take the stainer, and manual says you need to assemble these 2 parts, but in the box it was already been assembled. So just make sure that these 2 dots coincide, and then you good like this. So let's take the juicing screw. It looks like this, pretty heavy. And put it inside and fix it. So next comes the drum lid, and you need to make sure that these red dots coincide too, and then you need to press it, somewhat press it. Yeah, it's like it needs some effort, and close it. So, and for the juicing procedure, you're gonna use the pusher, and it just, also there's 2 dots which kind of lead you the way it's right to be inserted. So we have the juicing container and the container for the pulp. So this one, it has this nice little curve and it goes here. The container itself has the handle and has the kind of like sticking out part for pouring, and it also has the measurements here and it goes right here. Besides this assembly, we have two other parts. This and this is basically for the smoothies. And I guess we're good to go. Okay everyone, we have fruits and vegetables and we have the juicer. So I picked celery, carrots and apples to start with, and we have our Kuvings juicer. So let's start. I guess I'm gonna go first with my celery juice. Yay! So I'm doing forward right now. That's fun. It's actually, the feeling is way better than from the juicers which do it fast and on high speed. So let's see. And it's also more quiet. Yeah, it's definitely. I don't think like neighbors can hear you. Let's just try to push it harder down. That's cool. I like it so far. It's totally different feeling. Look, we're almost out of celery. We have barely any juice. When I was a kid, I liked pulp so much. I was just impressed how juice can be separated from the pulp. Okay, so let's do maybe apples next. Would it go? It's cool, I like it. It's kind of a lot of fun. Yay. And this thing, I like how it works. Just like, I'm not scared to do it with comparison to other one. Okay, so let's go with carrots. I mean, but I wouldn't say that it's too slow. I mean, definitely slower than the fast ones, which perform on higher speed. And the last carrot is in. There's still some juice. So let's take the glass and actually try some freshly squeezed juice. Super excited. It smells like apple with carrot and a little bit of celery. Yeah, definitely better. And by the way, I'm not afraid to put some vegetables and fruit in it, because for the slow juicer, I was really scared that my finger's gonna be chopped off. So this is the benefit. And I guess kids can help you with the process of juice making. Cheers! Awesome! My opinion is that I would definitely recommend slow juicer. It's quieter and it has more vitamins and nutrients in the juice. What do you think? Tell me in the comments.
It's very good. She wasn't lying. It's amazing.
Like it?
Oh yeah, the best juice I've ever tried.